today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing slash inventory video. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel if you're new. Hey, how you doing? Subscribe to my channel, support, show love, all that fun stuff. Follow my Instagram, my lip gloss page, as well as my personal Instagram. Everything will be in the description box below. And yeah, so without further ado, let's get into the unboxing video. So the first box I'm gonna show you is this one. It came from Amazon. Everything I ordered came from Amazon. I'm still mixing 2 packages, but it's okay. First order is this one. So in here, I did unbox all of these to make sure everything came, make sure nothing broke or nothing was missing, because they have a tendency of doing that. So first thing is oil. So I got avocado oil and I also got castor oil because I wanted to incorporate these 2 in my lip glosses, because the first time I did do my lip gloss, I did not add it to the batch. I only used coconut oil. That's it, just coconut oil. So I want to incorporate castor oil and avocado oil, so you guys can have some moisturized lips. Y'all don't want no chopped lips, no chapped lips. No, that's not cute. So castor oil, avocado oil, coconut oil. Yeah. Even though coconut oil is good, but castor oil is actually really good as well as avocado oil. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting a picture of it on the screen so you guys can see how much I paid, or if you guys want to purchase it, and it'll also be in the description box below. Everything that I show you guys, I will put in the description box below. Then I got wands, because I actually didn't order wands at all. So I ordered some wands, and I'm really happy with how these are, because I thought these were gonna be a little less wider, and I was looking for a wide lip gloss because all of the ones that I seen were like thin, and I don't really like that. I don't like thin look. So these are the wands. It has a white top, clear bottom. It looks just like this. When you open it, this is the lip applicator, and then it also came with stoppers as well. I'm really happy with these. I'm gonna be also inserting a picture right there. So happy with these. I also ordered some wands on Etsy. They're actually clear with a rose gold top, but I kind of think I'm gonna go with the whites. I will be making lip glosses in those tubes if you guys want to purchase the ones in the rose gold, but I think I like these. And then the next package is this one. This right here, let me show it to you guys. This right here is a rug to take my lip gloss pictures and my Instagram pictures of my lip glosses, and to take pictures for my lip gloss website. So if you guys are looking for this, Amazon is your friend. Very affordable. I don't remember how much it was, but it was not expensive at all. So it's just a picture rug, and it's small, so you can fit it anywhere. You can literally place it on the floor, on your bed, wherever, and take some bomb pictures with this. Nice background, nice, cute, fluffy background. It's cute. So yeah. So I'm gonna insert a picture as well and put it in the description. Or you guys can search picture rug on Amazon. That's exactly what I did. Yeah. Get yourself one of these. Get you one. The next and last package is the one I'm about to show you. Okay, this doesn't want to go in, but it's okay. We're gonna make it fit. The next package is this one. It's a pretty big package. First thing is glitters that I bought to make better lip glosses, cuter lip glosses. Yeah. So these, it comes in a pack of 8 with different colors. So you get purple, you get pink, you get blue, you get rose gold, you get gold, you get green. Yeah. So these are it. It came in a pack of 8. So I will be incorporating these in my lip glosses and see how they come out. And then I also got some butterfly glitters to make some butterfly glosses. I think that would be really cute. So yeah. These come with 12 colors. So they come in green, blue, red, black, silver, pink, rose gold, gold, yellow, a lighter gold. Really cute, really affordable. And then the last thing in here is my mailer. So this is exactly how it'll look when, if you guys order with me, how your package will look when you receive it. So it'll be in a black mailer. It comes like this. And then, yeah, this is how you'll be receiving your package. I might put a sticker there so you guys can see my logo. I think that would be really cute. Put a sticker right there, or I'll either put it in the back, like right here when I close it. But I think in the front would look better. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, these are black. They're just they don't have any bubble wrap in there or anything, so I might add like a sheet of bubble wrap when I am mailing it, so your glosses don't get messed up or anything like that. But yeah, they're just black. I didn't want to do pink because I feel like everybody does pink, so I just wanted to get black ones, and black matches with anything. So yeah. And this was 200 of them, and I believe it came, I believe it was about like $10, I think it was. So these are gonna last me a while because, yeah, 200 is a lot. So I'm actually also about to head to Target. So I'll be back showing you guys what I also got from Target. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you're still here. Grab your popcorn. Wait for me because I will be back. Okay? So make sure you guys are waiting till Selena comes back. Okay guys, so I'm showing you basically everything else I got from Target. I didn't do the video yesterday, so this is the day after because it was late and I didn't wanna show you guys that late because I wanted to just edit it and just post it. So basically I went to Target and I got this bin to just store all my supplies and things that I need. So it looks like this. It was literally $7 in Target. If I find it, I'm gonna just link it in the description below so you guys can go pick one up. I was gonna say pick yourself one up. What? So you guys can pick one up. This is mad cute. I think this is cute. But I got this, and I also got like the regular 3-drawer bins. I got that as well. There was 11. Everything was on sale yesterday. Like, it was crazy. So this was $7. The bin was $11. I spent on everything I got in Target. I just got this and the 3-drawer in Target. I spent $19.80, so almost $20. Almost $20. Then I went to Michael's because in Target they didn't really have anything I was looking for. And I got some paper shreds. 3 paper shreds. This was at $4, I think. This stuff is expensive. Like, why can't it just be $1 for a whole pack? $4 for some paper that's ripped up. But yeah, that was $4.80. So this is just to decorate like the packaging. I got this for anybody who is local that I can just like deliver it myself to them. So I got these so that I could put the glosses or everything else in the bag. What else did I get? Michael's. Those bags was, I think, $5 for 13 bags, so that's good. I got the wood sticks, what you call these? Popsicles. Well, whatever, wood sticks, popsicle sticks. They just sticks, and I got these to mix the glosses because with the spoon, I feel like it wastes a lot of product, and if I'm spending money on product, I don't want it to go to waste. So I got these. Those were I think it was like $4 for a pack of 60, so that's not bad. So earlier I showed you guys the fluffy rug, and I also got this black fabric from Michael's. So I can like either switch it up to either white or black. So yeah, I don't know how much this was. I just grabbed it. I didn't even look at the price, but it shouldn't be more than like $5. See, I got this to take pictures. What else? Oh, and I also got this. I think that's it. Oh no, hold on. And I also got this. Basically, it's just like confetti as well. It's pink and silver and all of that. This was how much? This was $2, right? No, $3. It was $2, right? It was $1.99 for this glitter. It comes with a lot, low key. But yeah, everything will be linked in the description below, so you guys can go pick it up if you want it. And then in Michael's, I also got this bag. It's really cute. It's like purple and pink. And when I got it, I just got it because it was nice. And then I realized, like, when I'm shipping out my packages, I can literally put them in here to ship them out. So that's dope. And then, oh shit. And then when I came home yesterday, my mom, I didn't find sticker paper because I wanted to do the labels myself, and I also didn't find the shipping labels as well because I also wanted to get them. And she literally had, because I wanted to put the logos on the glosses already that I have. So I feel like this could save you guys a lot of money. It's literally what do you call this? I don't know what you call this, but this is right here. You can make labels on it, like you turn it on. So I put So Much Beauty because that's the name of the Lipgloss line. And you can choose the font, so they have different fonts. You can use a frame if you want, so it's just like a frame around the logo. You can use symbols. You can change the size, the width, and a font, like I said. And you can literally write anything and just print it out. So mine is already there. It says So Much Beauty. So this is what you would do. You just print, and it prints out like that. And then you just cut it like that. And it literally looks like this. So if you're beginning and you don't want to spend a lot of money, go get yourself one of these. I mean, the fonts, the only thing I don't like about it is that they don't have a lot of fonts, but these is like in a white, and I wanted it to be transparent, so I'm using this for my glosses. I'm gonna show you guys an example. Shit. So I'm only gonna use these for the squeeze tubes, and it's just right there. It says So Much Beauty. And I also customized the tops. Oh wait, I forgot to show you guys that. Where is it? Got these rhinestones. I just put them in this bag because I had them all over the floor yesterday, but I got these rhinestones and I just added a rhinestone on top just so it could look different from everybody else's lip gloss too. So yeah, that's that. But yeah, this could save you a lot of money, especially because when you order stickers from somebody, they be charging you like $10, $20 for like less than 100 stickers. So this You could just buy this. They should have transparent sticker paper though. Yeah. If I find it, I don't know where my mom got it at, but if I find it on the internet, I'll just link the cheapest one so you guys could go pick it up. But that's everything I got yesterday, guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to follow my Instagram as well as my Lipgloss page. Everything will be in the description below. If you guys want me to do a video on other things Lipgloss related, just put it in the comments below and I'll get that video done for you. And I'll see you guys in the next video.